go, Peppa. Go on. Good girl. Oh,
Oh, that's the sausage.
No, don't. Tallulah.
Oh no! How will you get it? Yeah, this way.
Oh my god, look at my dog. Look at my dog, y'all. What the Pumpkin!
Dude.
Bandit, you can't nap there, honey.
Oh my god, lays back down.
Sonny Bonnie. No, gorda, eso es malo.
Come on out, Grace. You've been in there for a while. It's time to get out. Come on. Come on. Come on, Gracie.
Just detected a master of somersaults. When people ask, who is the prettiest in the room?
Rob a bank? Do Do you wanna fight? Do you wanna eat? Do you wanna eat?
What's so good about sticks? They're making my mouth water. We all know the white dog is the boss. Cat, are you really a massage expert?
Do not turn the tap on. Get down. Thank you.
Wrong color cat bed? Disappointment incoming. Personal space? What's that?
I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry. What was her crime?
Home invasion.
Home invasion, Penny. Look at you now, in jail.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed. Your ass is mine when we get home.
Bet that after this meetup, Puppy has made himself a new friend. Walking with your friend, but you have just washed your feet. Darkness may try to swallow him whole, but his fashion sense will shine.
It's time to go inside. You don't. Come on. So sassy. Are you done? Benjamin.
Not this broom, Dad. It is for my flying lesson at Hogwarts.
Stop.
This is when your dog is your musical inspiration. His rhythm is insane.
We are instant double digits. Thank you for believe it, but we are recapping midnight here. Andy Craig with you. Let's get into a particular Canada, picking up a couple of
Wait, what are you doing? No, stop. I wouldn't do that. Stop, no.
If there is one thing that can pull a cat out of its laziness, that lock isn't hard enough to make him tap out, buddy.
God, she sees a bug. Oh my God. What did you do that for? No.
Before a storm comes, the sky is always so peaceful.
Well, that's great. Right.
When cats decide to do something alone, just don't touch them.
I got you, Betty.
Okay, you have lots of confidence, but now how to get down? You guys really need to upgrade your skills before starting a heist. Not every time will your bestie be a perfect match in your life. Cats have such weird ways to flirt. Don't tell me she accepts. Right. That Halloween costume might not be able to scare anyone, bro.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Kitten has art running through its veins. As that
Dreaming of swimming in the ocean, and you're a fish is like? No one's tolerant of the other, and they both keep slapping each other's face.
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Is that beer? Because he's drinking it like water. Right next door. Being a mum is like learning to be patient with your own blood. Mom, there's a monster under the water.
What are you doing?